Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of February 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.23. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -43.16%. This translates to an average loss of -1.08% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -44.53% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -100% to 14.23%. In terms of a longer view, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 53.9%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 28.74% and 454.66% in the coming year. In today's terms, this would translate to a future price range from $3.75 to $16.14. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, "Strong day for BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Thursday, rising 7.78% to $2.91. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price gained 7.78% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, rising from $2.70 to $2.91. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 8.75% with a low of $2.69 and a high of $2.92. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, down by 6.13% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 8 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares traded for approximately $130,030,000. It is important to note that declining volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price is 71.88% or $7.44 below the 52-week high, and 81.95% or $13.21 below the all-time high on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price reached $16.12. Recent developments surrounding BigBear.ai Holdings Incorporated have raised concerns for investors in light of multiple class action lawsuits filed against the company. These lawsuits claim potential violations of federal securities laws and involve significant allegations that could impact the company's reputation and stock performance. Investors who incurred losses are being urged to seek legal counsel before the upcoming 10th of June, 2025 deadline to join the lawsuits. This barrage of legal challenges may lead to short-term volatility in BBAI's stock price as investors react to the uncertainty surrounding the company's future. Legal troubles often trigger a sell-off as sentiment shifts to caution, which could put downward pressure on the stock in the immediate term. In the midst of these legal issues, BigBear.ai also announced a noteworthy partnership with Austal USA, integrating its artificial intelligence solutions into submarine construction processes. This deployment of artificial intelligence in heavy manufacturing could enhance operational efficiencies and foster new business prospects, potentially providing a positive counterbalance to the negative impacts of the lawsuits in the longer term. However, the presence of legal disputes remains a significant risk factor. If these actions lead to substantial financial penalties or settlement costs, they could negatively influence Big Bear's financial health and investor confidence in the future. As such, investors should closely monitor both the outcomes of the lawsuits and the company's operational developments to gauge the stock's potential trajectory in the coming months. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright again assigned BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for this stock. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even though prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been indicated, and these may affect its short-term development. Currently, BigBear.ai Holdings has a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, a long-term average suggests a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is higher than the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance at $3.02 from the long-term moving average. Conversely, if it declines, it may find support at $2.59 from the short-term average. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would produce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative trend. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 70.205%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence, divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal, recorded 49 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 112 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, identified 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, observed 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal, noted 39 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, registered 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, identified 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal, recorded 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $2.66 and $2.62. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, BigBear.ai Holdings finds support just below today's level at $2.66. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $2.62 and $2.57. This stock may experience significant movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 235 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, or 8.75%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This vital metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could suggest insufficient profitability, and may indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the first day of May 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -6 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear Holdings is at $3.04. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear Holdings encounters its first support level at $2.66. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 8th of April, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC conducted an insider sale of 27,430,402 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Sean Raymond Ricker conducted an insider purchase of 125,284 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April 2025, Carolyn Blankenship conducted an insider purchase of 151,442 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April 2025, Carolyn Blankenship conducted an insider sale of 18,135 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April 2025, Julie Peffer conducted an insider purchase of 146,853 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -94.283. In total, insiders bought 2,525,089 shares and sold 145,080,800 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there has been no stop loss established. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings shows several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend, indicating that it is likely to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we hold a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of April, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open lower by approximately 7 cents and start trading at around $2.84. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.